Question number 9. The angle of the elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. Let A, B, C, D. Angle of the elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. And the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. AB is equal to 50 meter. Height of tower is equal to 50 meter, and we want to find height of building. Let H be the height of building. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC is equal to perpendicular upon base is equal to tan theta. Angle is 60 degree. Tangent 60 degree is equal to root 3. We have given AB is 50 and BC is equal to AB upon BC is equal to tangent 60 degrees root 3. This implies BC is equal to 50 upon root 3. It's equation number first. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC is equal to tangent 60 degree and tangent 60 degree equal to root 3. So BC is equal to 50 upon root 3. It's equation number first. And in triangle DBC, in triangle DBC, DC upon BC is equal to tangent 30 degree, and DC is H, that is height of building. We want to find H upon BC is equal to tangent 30 degrees 1 upon root 3. This implies BC is equal to root 3H. It's equation number second. First equal to second, equating first and second. From first and second we get first equal to second, 50 upon root 3 is equal to root 3H. and B divides root 3 by left side, h is equal to 50 upon root 3 square. This is square root is cancelled, but h is equal to 50 upon 3. This implies height is equal to 16 whole 2 upon 3 meter. Answer. And HB, the height of building, height is equal to 16 whole 2 upon 3 meter. Answer. In triangle ABC, the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation from the top of the tower from the foot of building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter height, AB is equal to height of tower is 50 meter, and in triangle ABC, AB upon BC is equal to tangent 60 degree, tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. AB is 50, that is height of tower, and 50 upon BC is equal to tangent 60 root 3. BC is equal to 50 upon root 3, it's equation number first. In triangle ABC, we get BC is equal to 50 upon root 3, it's equation first. And another triangle DBC, DC upon BC, DC is perpendicular and BC is base, equal to tan theta, and angle is 30 degree. DC is equal to H, that is height of building. H upon BC is equal to tangent 30, 1 upon root 3, and BC is equal to root 3H, it's equation number second. From equation first and second, 50 upon root 3 is equal to root 3H, and H is equal to 50 upon root 3 square. This is cancelled. Height equal to 50, root 3 square is cancelled, but we get 3. H equal to 50 upon 3, and in mixed fraction, height is equal to 16 whole 2 upon 3. When 50 divides by 3, 16 3s are 48, and 2 is remainder. So height is equal to 16 whole 2 upon 3 meter. Answer. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. A, B, C, D, E. "60 degree and 30 degree angle, and which is 80 meter wide. 80 meter total BD is equal to 80 meter. BD is equal to 80 meter, and let us assume DC is X meter, and CB is 80 minus X meter. AB is same equal poles, height H, H meter, H meter. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC is equal to tan 60 degree. AB upon BC is equal to tan 60 degree, and tangent 60 degree is equal to √3, and AB is height H upon BC is equal to 80 minus X is equal to tangent 60 is √3. This implies H is equal to 80 minus X √3. H equal to 80 minus X into √3. It's equation number first. And another triangle ECD. In triangle ECD, ED upon DC is equal to tangent 30 degree. Value of tangent 30 degree is equal to 1 upon √3. This implies ED is same as AB, equal height, that is H, divided by DC. DC equal to X. Tangent 30 is equal to 1 upon √3. This implies H is equal to X upon √3. It's equation number second. In triangle ABC, we get H equal to 80 minus X √3 equation first, and another triangle ECD, we get H equal to X upon √3. From first and second equation, we get first equal to second. 80 minus X √3 is equal to X upon √3. We are equating H is 80 minus X √3 and H is equal to X upon √3. So we get the value of X. √3 multiplied by left side, that is 80 minus X into √3 multiplied by √3, that is √3 square, and square root will be cancelled, and that is only 3, and 3 multiplied by 80, 3 multiplied by minus X is equal to X. This implies 3 multiplied by 80, 240, and 3 multiplied by X minus 3X is equal to X, and we are shifting minus 3X in right side. It will be positive, and X plus 3X is equal to 240. This implies 4X is equal to 240, and X is equal to 240 divided by 4. This is cancelled by 60 and we get x is equal to 60 meter. And putting the value of x equal to 60 in equation number first. X is equal to 16 first. We get h is equal to 80 minus 60 root 3. This implies h is equal to 80 minus 60, that is 20 root 3 meter. Answer. Height of pole is equal to 20 root 3 meter and distance 80 minus 60, that is 20 meter and 60 meter. Distance of BC is equal to 20 meter and distance of CD is equal to 60 meter. Answer. In triangle ABC, AB upon BC, in triangle ABC, AB upon BC is equal to tangent 60 degree, that is root 3. AB is height, h upon BC is equal to 80 minus x. Total distance BD is equal to 80 meter is given. And DC, we are assuming DC is equal to x meter and BC will be 80 minus x. Total minus x, that is value of BC. AB upon BC is equal to root 3. H upon 80 minus x is equal to root 3. H is equal to 80 minus x root 3 equation first. The triangle ECD, ED upon CD is equal to tan 30 degree and tangent 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. ED is h and DC is x meter. X multiplied by right side, h is equal to x upon root 3. It's equation number second. And from equation first and second we get first equal to second. 80 minus x root 3 is equal to x upon root 3. Root 3 multiplied by left side, root 3 square root is cancelled and 3 multiplied by 80 is equal to 240 and 3 multiplied by minus x is minus 3x. We are shifting 3x right side, that will be positive 3x plus 1, positive 3x plus 1x, that is 4x equal to 240 and 240 divides x is equal to 240 divides by 4. 64s are 240. We get the value of x, that is a distance of CD. X is equal to 60 meter. Answer. And we are putting the value of x in equation number first. So h is equal to 80 minus 60 root 3. We get the value of h, that is height of poles. H equal to 80 minus 60, that is 80 minus 60 is 20 root 3 meter. Height of poles is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Answer. And distance of BC, that is 80 minus 60 is 20 meter and distance of CD x, that is equal to 60 meter BC is equal to 20 meter, and CD, distance of CD is equal to 80 meter, and height of poles equal to 20 root 3 meter. Answer. Thank you so much.